Hey everybody, welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle, and today you'll find me here at my local Kawasaki dealership, NIAGARA Race Crafters. Now if you're familiar with my content, then you'll know that I'm incredibly passionate about the classic Kawasaki's. Well, today I'm actually here to do something completely different. I'm taking delivery of my very first modern and brand new motorcycle ever, 2022 Kawasaki Z900RS 50th Anniversary Edition. So the guys here at Race Crafters have been incredibly gracious to give me early access to their shop before they open up, so that way we can film the unboxing of this bike, check it out in detail, and show it to all of you guys before anybody else. So let's go inside and check out this motorcycle that's been 50 years in the making. Everybody, still in the crate, the brand new 2022 Z900RS 50th Anniversary Edition. The guys here at NRC were really awesome. They were able to secure the very first one to come in to Ontario. This thing is fresh off the boat. You can still pretty much smell the salt water. This is incredibly exciting, guys. So without any further ado, let's get the crate off this thing and see what the bike looks like.
Holy cow. That's pretty smart. That's perfect.
To help celebrate the 50th anniversary of the original Z1, Kawasaki added a lot of really cool features to this bike. The big one, of course, being the return of the iconic Fireball paint scheme done in a special candy process developed specifically for this trim package. Other features include the gold painted wheels, standard chrome grab rail, special leather used in the seat, retro style side badge, dual overhead cam emblems on the engine covers, and of course, that elegant Z50th logo painted into the top of the tank. All this melted together in perfect harmony to pay tribute to arguably one of the most legendary motorcycles of all time. Since its 2018 release, the Z900RS has been a topic of controversy among Z enthusiasts. Despite its overwhelming success for Kawasaki, there are still those who claim it will never be an original Z1. And to that, I say good, because I believe they are forgetting what made the Z1 so special to begin with. The very reason why Kawasaki designated the original bike the Z1 was simple. Z is the end of the alphabet, the ultimate, a pinnacle in motorcycle engineering, a bike that set the benchmark for every other brand to catch up to. So for Kawasaki to simply repeat a 50-year-old formula will not be in the original spirit of the Z brand, and to me is the reason why the new Z900RS captures the true essence of the original superbike, a 50-year culmination of technological advancements rolled into one ultimate machine, a Z.